tuyotwo mwene cyo cyamanisaki ntabwo niyo yera kusimba abantu babo kumva banirwana nabo bategeka kubiga kumva nirwana nabo abantu manaki kuko nuzo musitse zindi abakora n'icyo kubashanga nabo bariyo batavugiye kuyiya yiyakaze yo mumore ni navyo kuko umuntu nayibagera ngizo akari bari muri bakayo nagiza umanya ngo kwiba yariya akabya kuza kace kibe yuko yuko kokanga ababa kuza mahanga bakatare kawe nane wi yes nane wi abari kuza kadari bakutana nane wi bakari bakabwira aba opposite na bakuma inama yao ejo nachora kare kiya akataye bajya kaduna namutaya pakashazime yewe mara muze mukore kubara mukora koko ibuke kugamba kana yapa yona yana kwambata 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 wile mkono atilo aze kuri yabye bitataye aze kushimira kwa nushakana ejo nachusha icyagani ninyenda kutwara apologies kuzibasiya za members babara babachirwa bariya konka it was a short notice ntabwo ni representative wa diplomatic guy honorable Rita Yagera was coming konka she's not feeling well honorable Minipaka ariyo mu committees konka nawe he would have wished to be here wewe mtakaja kutubaikaho ninyenda icyo mukimanye ko kane rubika see you yenda ko recognize minister wa Sanga Mara district local government azani yenda ko basi Mara district local government ubu twabeyondeka katara ke municipality leadership eyabirenga by then to twafine chefi na RDC by then masa harogo bitu byataruka bakati w'injasho masa we yatwira akabana akayidinge twenda everybody was tware chikure jebi na twaro ma office aka tuturu we worked as a team kuturare tuyawa gukora ikabere bezaba baratinde we must work as a team orane gukora waka shauri yake yoko kani bana kani tugabira abantu mu integrate kampuni eti kampuni pekee kitapata sawa tu bakiacha